Hi everyone. So I'm here with Potty 314 in wonderful Austria in Tyrol, and we are gonna pick a lock, something that we found in the house that we are here in, and let's see if we can pick it. It's a lock that the owner of the house allowed us to pick, so let's get to it.
Yeah, well, welcome everybody. It's wonderful that I have a cameraman now, so I can solely concentrate myself on the picking of this lock. So we're going inside, and it's a little storage room where the lock is located. It's located on a chain. Here it is, if you can see it. It's a little dark inside, and there are no lights.
I think we can change that a little bit. And there we have a light.
And I've not yet attempted to pick it. And as you might know, as you can see, it's an old BURG lock. BURG is the predecessor of BURG-WÄCHTER and has a wonderful patina to it. And it's on a chain. Yeah, I've not attempted to pick this yet, and as you might know, I'm pretty bad at picking locks the first time. So let's see how long it takes. First I try open side tensioning, and with this hybrid from Sparrows. Let's see what I can feel. Already felt a click. Feels already loose inside. Don't know if there are security pins. I doubt there are. Yeah, this will be a series of videos from our vacation here. That was a good click. There's a high pin in the back. I think I'm gonna change my picking setup.
Maybe this one is a little bit too low.
Yeah.
If you think there is a higher.
So let's change this to a different pin side tensioning. That's actually a tension wrench for tubular locks, but it fits nicely here in the keyway.
Ignore the noise on the backside. We are preparing to go hiking very soon, and everybody's a little bit hectic.
So I think we can't go hiking. I will not be able to open this lock. Felt like an overset returning.
Well, it's a BURG, it's a castle. Should not be easy to open.
I've seen you picking it before.
And it was mostly to test if my picks.
It's open! Yeah!
Congratulations.
Give me 5.
Give on the camera. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
All right.
Very good.
Well,
Okay.
finally.
So he will now lock it for me.
Yes,
and
of course.
You will see me picking it on my channel.
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Happy picking, and
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.